guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are still having an awesome day. I am back with a really fun and really quick little craft. So let me flip my camera to the overhead view and we'll get started. All right, guys, so here is that quick and easy project that I promised you. This is my version of a scratch-off card, but you don't have to do any scratching. All you have to do is really peel back these stickers to reveal something fantastic. So I am just going to peel one sticker so that you can see what's underneath. And the secret to making this work is, I don't know if you guys can see that sheen on there, but I have a piece of acetate on the top. So I'm going to put this sticker back down just like that. And now I have a beautiful, beautiful scratch-off card, or my version of a scratch-off card that you can give. And when the person removes your little stickers, it will have all types of hidden gems. And then when we flip it over to the back side, we have this awesome writing space where we can write all types of goodies or leave wonderful messages and well wishes. So, like I said, really quick and easy, and we're about to get started. And what I have here is a decorative piece of cardstock. It measures 6 by 7, and this will be the base for my scratch off. So this will be the cover piece that I will build everything else around. So this is 6 by 7, and then I have some pieces that I have already placed my backing on, and I place my backing using my Xyron sticker maker. But if you don't have that, you can do this with double-sided tape or spray adhesive. So I have a piece here that measures 5 by 6, and I am going to take that piece, but I really want to have a lot of that on my card. So I am going to take this and place it right there in the corner so I can get as much of that winter scene as possible. So then I'm going to take my finger blade and we are just going to remove the excess. So once we have that excess trimmed, I am going to go ahead and just place down the backer piece, and my back piece measures 4.5 by 5 3/4. So I'm going to take this and we're just going to get it stuck just like that. And then I have a white mat that measures 4 by 5, and I'm going to take it and place it right there. So now we have the basis for our fake scratch-off card all done, and we can do the fun part. And the fun part really is going to be very super simple. So all I did was I created a whole bunch of these little sheets that will go on my board just like this, and I printed mine out and trimmed it down to 1.5 by 4.5. So all I'm going to do is take this and add some tape using my tape runner. We're going to take it and place it right there, just like that. And then here comes the secret. I have a piece of acetate that measures 2 by 4.5, and I used my Xyron sticker maker to put my adhesive on the back. And you can see that I have a little bit of a film showing, but that's okay. So if you're using double-sided tape, you're going to have that same effect. And that is okay because it really does not interfere with the look once you place it down. So we're going to take this and basically just get it stuck down like that. And then I'll use my big old spatula just to make sure everything is nice and stuck. And for those of you who watched my video of my road trip to Scrapbook Creations in Spartanburg, South Carolina, I found these button pages and I thought they would be perfect for what I want to accomplish with this project. Now, you don't have to have button stickers. If you do, that's great. If you don't, but you have other stickers that have a round shape, pull those off and use them in this project. So I've got plenty of stickers on this sheet that if I didn't have any button stickers, I could actually use these. But I am going to go with the white buttons, and what I'm doing is I am just putting a little bit of the oils from my finger on the back, and that will help that button to come up easily every time someone wants to lift up and see what's underneath, but they don't want to ruin it because it's so cute. So I am placing my buttons down, and like I said, I am just getting some of the oils from my body. I'll still have a nice stick, but I don't have to worry about trying to fight it when I'm peeling back that sticker to show the person who's receiving this what they're actually getting. So I'm just going to rub it in my hand, removing a whole bunch of that stickiness, and then I'm going to place it down just like that, and I'm going to lift up this middle one, and you saw how easily that came up, and move it over just a little bit because the spacing was just too close. So now we have 3 little messages that are hidden underneath our buttons. But as you saw, guys, very easy to peel up these buttons and reveal what's underneath. And then you put them down and they stay stuck. So now I'm going to decorate this one using this beautiful, beautiful Winter Market sticker sheet that you guys have also seen me use on another project. So what I want to do is I am going to go with this one that says Snow Much Fun. And I think this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful little project when it's done. Then I am going to find what I want to put down as my center focal piece, and I'm torn between this little guy here and this guy here, but I think I'm going to go with this one. And so we're going to place him right there. And then I'm just going to take some of these snowflakes and just kind of place them around. Just to add a little bit of cuteness to this project. Let me see if I have one more snowflake. And I think I'll go with this one. And I'm going to place it right there. And you can see just how cute this is. So I'm just going to grab one of these little messages right here at the bottom. And I'm going to take the one I think that says Happy Snow Day and place it right there. Then I'm going to flip this cutie over, and I am going to find another sweet little sticker and put it on the back. So I think I'm going to go with the one that says thank you. And I'll place that thank you sticker. But then I'm not going to stop because I want to take this little guy here, and I'm just going to put him down there in the corner. How cute is that? And how simple was that to create your own faux scratch off card? Isn't this cute? And you can customize your messages to fit the person that you're giving it to. I absolutely love how these have turned out, and I am going to bring in the first one so that you guys can see just how stinking cute these are. And you saw how easy they were to make. So if you're looking for something unique, here it is. So I hope that you guys have liked this fun, quick and easy project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, always be safe, be kind, Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.